Okay, so I've logged onto a different account here, and as you can see, once you wait a couple of days, the audit status will change to approved, and what that means is now you can use the product in your AI cooler. And typically it should be okay as long as you submitted correct images and clear image of the barcode. But sometimes, for example here, it might say review failed. And if you click on details, it'll tell you why. So this one was because of a common error, which is you enter the incorrect barcode or it's inconsistent with the picture. So here you just need to re-verify what the barcode is and submit another application for it to be reviewed once more. So once you have completed uploading your products, you need to go back to machine management. And let's go to the machine we want to edit here and click it. And here you can edit the product price, unlocking the door, shelf life, machine inventory. So to start off, we go to machine inventory. And as you can see, I already have a couple of products set in here. So let's say, for example, we want to add a new product, and it's the one that was just approved earlier, the Feastables. And click search. Feast. There you go. This was what we uploaded earlier. So you click on it, click confirm, and it will now be added onto the floor number 1. So if you remember, there were different shelves on your machine. Floor 1 is the closest to the camera, and then floor 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes from top to bottom. So on floor 1, we have the Feastables. You can change the price to whatever you want to set, and you can also add inventory simply like this. So when you load the machine, you just need to take account of how many of each product you have loaded and edit the inventory so that it correctly corresponds to how many products are actually in the machine. And you can edit the price here as well to whatever you want to set it as. And if you click submit, it'll say operation successful. And if your machine is online, shown here, this inventory should be updated almost immediately to be able to let you continue selling your products as with the updated inventory.
As previously mentioned, adding products is done on the mobile version of the website. You can click import products to find whatever is not already in your database. And if you cannot find the product on the public database, you will have to add it yourself. But how to check how many of each product can you actually put into the machine? So when you go to machine inventory here, you can set how many of this product is inside the machine. Well, to check, you need to go back, unlock the door, and once it's unlocked, you can open it. And at the machine, you want to check how many of each product can you load on the different shelves. As you can see, the pre-configured heights fits large drinks at the top here, medium drinks or cans here. You can have smaller cans in this row, and so on. And the machine comes with these kind of guides to help you load drink products, and the bottom 2 shelves are filled with are just the shelf where you can place larger items. Deciding on the products you want to put in your AI cooler is much more difficult versus a vending machine, because you have a lot more freedom to put exactly what you want to sell. Odd shaped packaging, much larger packaging is all compatible with an AI cooler. And in addition, these product shelves, while they come In some default configuration, they can be easily modified. You would just need to cut all of these zip ties on the shelf to be able to adjust the height up and down, and we recommend having more zip ties to secure it once again when you have moved the shelf to the desired height. So with the zip ties removed, it is actually very easy to just lift up this shelf, and you can pull it out with the machine and set it down. And then to adjust the height, all you need to do is take all 4 of these and move them to the desired height. Say for example, I want to move all of them to the very top slot. Like so. And then we just take the shelf and place it back into the machine. Now of course, once you have done that, it's best practice to zip tie them down again, as they are quite loose and customers can simply take the tray as it's not secured inside the machine. So we do recommend zip tying the tray again, the shelf again, into the machine. As a general rule of thumb, you want around 30 to 40 different products inside the machine, and the maximum we recommend no more than 70 different products. And we also recommend products with dissimilar packaging. So for example, it might not be a good idea to place these two close to each other at the bottom, because it would be hard for the camera to distinguish between them. In addition, the cameras are up here, 2 at the top, so we would recommend placing smaller products as well as products that sell more often closer to the top of the machine as well. Once you have completely adjusted all of your shelves and loaded the products you wish to have loaded into the machine, you need to go back to the computer to finish setting up the inventory and make sure you have an accurate count of what products are actually inside the machine.